with another section of the Digital Marketing Masterclass. This section is all about branding and specifically about graphics for your brand. This is another important section that is setting us up for success, because in most of the rest of the sections, you will be using graphics to grow your own brand. And what a lot of digital marketing is using visuals and graphics to sell your products and services. So having a solid brand identity is so important. So what do we mean by brand identity? It's the visuals, it's the look, it's the style, it's the types of images you use, the fonts that you use, the colors that you pick. One of my biggest pieces of advice is simplicity is better. Keep things simple, not only in terms of colors, meaning don't have 20 different colors you use, but pick 1 or 2 as your main colors and then just have some accent colors that you use for your brand. Same with your fonts. Pick something clean, something that is easy to read, not fancy. Don't just pick the flavor of the week style, either in terms of colors or fonts or really any type of visual. Lots of people get caught up with choosing things that look cool now this week, but in a couple of years, it's going to look kind of old and funky. And one of the best examples of this is with your logo. Simple logos just end up being better because they're more timeless. And if you think about many of the biggest brands out there, their logos are very simple. Nike, the swoosh, Coca-Cola, same logo, just font text-based, doesn't have images. Apple, super simple. Netflix is a newer company, but they have followed this model of having a simple logo. So let's look at a couple of different examples online to see what their graphics look like. And in the next lessons, we're going to be giving you some tools to use to come up with your own brand identity. Things like picking colors, fonts, finding graphics, all that kind of stuff. And then later in this section, we're going to teach you how to use different tools to create your graphics, like Photoshop and Canva, which is actually a free program that you can use online.